Almost everyone who's a good maintainer really values building up new contributors and building up people, just giving them a good experience in open source. Being able to engage with those people and help them create something and put something out into the world and build on something that exists, I think is a really amazing feeling. My name's Eric Holscher, and I maintain Read the Docs, which is a documentation hosting platform for open source projects. I had a few open source projects that had docs, but they weren't getting updated. And so the goal was really to kind of automatically publish documentation when it got created. A lot of what we try to do is lower the barrier for contribution. You're trying to learn about a project, you're trying to contribute to that project, and we want to enable that as much as we can. Read the Docs was very much a side project, but it eventually got to the point where if we went down, thousands of people couldn't do their jobs. And that's really when it's like, oh, this is something that should really have dedicated resources, and it needs someone who's working on it full time. The way that we've been doing that is trying to build a business that both respects our users and doesn't compromise our integrity, but also makes money. And so that's really been the mission in the last few years. Trying to do anything that's yours and that you have so much ownership over and ego invested in is really difficult, but it's just like starting a business. Figuring out sustainability within an open source project is 99% the same as figuring out sustainability within a business. I view places as kind of discrete chunks of time, and I try to map tasks onto them, where it's like, all right, I'm gonna do these phone calls at home, and then maybe I'm gonna go into my co-working space and do these 2 tickets, and then I'm gonna go grab coffee and have a meeting with somebody, and then work from there to do the notes. I feel privileged every day to be able to set my own schedule and to be able to work on something that I helped bring into the world. The fact that I'm putting my day-to-day stress towards something that might not exist otherwise is an incredible privilege. And it really does feel like we're starting to become sustainable and to actually solve this problem. It's incredibly hard day-to-day, but it's incredibly rewarding day-to-day as well.